Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit Invoice Template in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your Invoice Template in QuickBooks Online helps you present a more professional brand image while ensuring your invoices include all the necessary details for accurate billing. Editing your Invoice Template allows you to adjust layout, branding, fields, and formatting to match your business needs. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Custom Form Styles. This is where you can manage and edit your invoice templates. You'll see a list of available templates. You can either edit an existing one by clicking Edit, or create a new style by selecting New Style and choosing Invoice. Inside the customization panel, you'll see several tabs, including Design, Content, and Emails. Under the Design tab, you can upload your company logo, choose fonts, adjust colors, and select a template layout. This is where you control the overall visual appearance of your invoice. For example, we chose a bold template, then selected this color, and also changed the font to Times New Roman. In the Content tab, you can modify the actual fields displayed on the invoice. For example, you can add or remove columns like quantity, rate, SKU, or discounts. You can also customize the header, footer, payment terms, and add personalized messages for clients. The Emails tab allows you to edit the default email message that clients receive when you send the invoice. This helps you maintain consistent communication and reinforce your brand voice. After making your changes, click Done to save the template. You can also set it as your default invoice style so that all future invoices automatically use the updated format. Customizing your invoice template not only improves professionalism, but also ensures clarity in billing. Clear layouts, accurate fields, and branded presentation help reduce payment delays and enhance client trust. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.